Morning, ECAP friends. How are you today? I'm doing well. Teacher Sheila here is doing well. I hope you're doing well in your home as well. Um, it's a great day today, a great day to read a book and to do some turtle counting. That's what we're going to do today. Let's see. What should we start with? Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time. I know it's really hard to turn on our thinking caps now because we've been running and playing and doing all those things that are so exciting, and now it's time to sit down for just a minute. Do you remember at preschool how we would sit in the circle and have those few minutes together? So let's practice that. In just a few minutes, we're going to have our Zoom meeting, and I'm hoping that you'll be there. But for now, I would like to tell you a little poem here, a counting poem. Of course, you know, Teacher Sheila, she's got to put on her reading glasses. I got my little paper, and I'm going to read the words on the paper. It's so important to learn to be reading our words. So I have the number 5, and I have 5 turtles. 5 turtles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 turtles. Okay. 5 little turtles swimming in a lake. One went home with a bellyache. So here's one. Okay, I'm going to take away my number 5. How many does that leave? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the number 4. 4 little turtles swimming all together. One stopped off to look at a feather. Okay, so then if one was gone, how many did that leave? Got to remove it. Doesn't want to slide today. Okay, what number is that? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little turtles having so much fun. One got out to bask in the sun. Okay, let's see, how many is that? 1, 2. 2 little turtles dive and play. One went home and called it a day. Okay. 1 little turtle, feeling all alone, he crawled out to rest on a stone. How many turtles did that leave? 0. 0 turtles were left. They were all gone. So let's put them back. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I lost my turtles. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Okay. 4, 5. Okay, I want you to notice my rows of turtles. Up here, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 turtles up on top. Up on top. Down below, I have 1, 2. So which row has more turtles, the top or the bottom? Did you put on your thinking caps? Did you say the top had more turtles? If you said the top had more turtles, you are correct because 3 is more than 2. So that means that which row has less turtles, the top or the bottom? 1, 2, 3 up there, and 1, 2 down here. I'm waiting for you to think. Which one has less? This row has 2. That's less than 3. But all together, it's 5. Okay, I wanted to read a book that's called Click Clack Splish Splash. I'm going to move right to the middle because sometimes my microphone doesn't pick up when I'm reading. So let's get my book all ready. It's by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. Farmer sleeping, feet creeping. Can you see it? 3 buckets piled high, 4 chickens standing by. Five cows type a note. Six goats load the boat. That's pretty silly. 7 pigs lead the way. 8 sheep decide to stay. See them? Look, them all lined up. 9 mice leave a note on the door. Gone fishing. All the animals go to the shore. 10 buckets lined up in a row. 10 fish ready to go. Let's count them. See if I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One sleepy farmer rubs his eyes and wakes up to a fishy surprise. How surprised he is. The end. That was just a silly little book today. I have, let's see if I can do this. I'm not sure. Let's do it on here. I'm going to try to make a pattern. I have this orca whale, and I have this gray whale, so you can see. And there I have an orca whale. So I have 1, 2, 3, but I'm going to go black, gray, black. I'm making a pattern. What do you think would come next? Let's see. Can you decide? Black, gray, black, gray. So it goes. My pattern is black, gray, black, gray. I don't have any very good. Let's pretend like this. This will be my other one because I'm out of black. Black, gray, black, gray, black, black, gray, black, gray. That's my pattern. Can you make a pattern? Maybe you could do it on your whiteboard. I'm going to do mine like this. I'm going to draw one. I was just showing you with my whales, but let's see. What if I made a pattern? I want it to be 2 steps. So I'm going to go a pink circle, and then I'm going to do a blue circle. Then I'm going to do I'm using my pinching fingers, a pink circle. Not very good at that when I'm holding the board up, am I? So what would come next? Pink, blue, pink. What's my very next one? Blue. Okay, did you put on your thinking caps and answer that? Pink, blue, pink, blue. What would come next? Pink. Okay, let's try that again. Pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. What's my next color if I'm doing a pattern? Blue. Okay, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. Okay, there's other kinds of patterns. Let's try a different one. I'd like you guys to get your whiteboard if you could, and you could write your name at the top. You know me, Teacher Sheila, she likes to write her name always at the top, because if we were at school and you didn't write your name and we didn't see you, we wouldn't know who it belonged to. Always start with your name. Okay, let's try a different pattern. Let's see, it's going to go like this. Maybe it should be two. Let's do it with twos. Okay, so what if it was two blues, one, so blue, blue, then what? Pink, pink, then what? Blue, blue. See my pattern here? Blue, blue, pink, pink, blue, blue. What do you think goes right there? It would go pink, pink. I'm going to erase my other pattern so we're not confused. So you have one of these with a tip on yours that we sent home with you. Okay, I have blue, blue, pink, pink, blue, blue, pink, pink. What comes next, do you think? Did you guess blue? Blue, blue. There's my pattern. Blue, blue, pink, pink, blue, blue, pink, pink, blue, blue. Can you make a pattern on your whiteboard? You could maybe send a picture to me and Carolyn. That would be fun. I would love to see it. So work on your patterning, work on your name. I want to see you writing your name. Write it, send us a picture. Let's see, what could I send you out to do? I'm wondering. Could you find on a scavenger hunt in your yard, could you find five, uh, hmm, let's say 5 green items. So can you find 5 green items in your yard? Let's see, what would I find in my yard that's green? A leaf, a piece of grass, some tree limbs are kind of green. What else can you think of that would be green? I want to hear what your ideas are. So if you could take a picture of it, put it on your whiteboard, send it to us, that would be great. Okay, you know what? I am going to get off of here because we are going to have our Zoom meeting in just a minute, and I hope that you're going to be there. I miss you guys so much. I hope to see you soon. See you later, alligator.